what is the output of the following code snippet. So if you look at this code snippet, here in system.out.println we are doing data plus sum plus value. Now data is having double data type, sum is having int data type, and value is having float data type. So if one of the operands is long or double or float, the entire expression is converted to long or double or float respectively. So here one is double out of this three. So the entire expression, the resultant expression, will be converted to double. So let us check in the IDE what it comes. It should come in the double format. So yes, it is coming in the double format. It is giving 458.4239 and it goes on. So our option C, that is 458.42399, is the correct answer.